and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your network when you are facing internet problem in Windows. The simplest way is left click on networks and select troubleshoot problems. It will automatically search the network and solve the problem you are facing. And another way is by using command prompt, which I show you in the previous video. For now I'm going to show you how to reset the entire network if nothing else is solving your problem. For that, click on start and go to settings. Here go to network and internet. Click on network reset. And now click on reset now. It will ask if you want to reset your network settings. Click yes. After confirmation, your system will restart. So after restart, your internet will be resetted and it should be working. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.